Lenders verify property titles primarily due to legal, procedural, and compliance requirements. Let's understand what property laws and acts applicable on property. Limitation Act 1963 and its role in property. Title clearance. The Limitation Act 1963 sets time limits within which legal proceedings must be initiated for various claims, including property disputes and recovery of debt. If a claim is not filed within the specified period, the right to enforce it in court may be lost. Relevant provisions for property. Title clearance. 1. Limitation for property possession disputes or time limit 12 years or applicability. If a person illegally occupies someone else's property, the rightful owner has 12 years to file a suit for possession. If no claim is made within this period, the possessor can claim ownership under adverse possession. Second, limitation for recovery of mortgaged property or time limit 12 years from the date the mortgage money becomes due. Or applicability. If a lender or bank does not take action to recover the property within this period, the borrower's legal heirs may claim ownership without liability. Third, limitation for challenging sale transactions or time limit 3 years from the date of knowledge of fraud or mistake. Or applicability. If a person wants to challenge a fraudulent sale deed or title transfer, they must do so within 3 years from the discovery of fraud. 4. Limitation for execution of a decree, court judgment, or time limit 12 years from the date of decree for immovable property. Or applicability. If a lender wins a court case against a borrower and does not execute the decree, such as taking possession or auctioning the property, within 12 years, the decree may become unenforceable. Limitation for filing a suit for breach of agreement, sale, or lease. Or time limit 3 years from the date of breach. Or applicability. If a party does not fulfill a sale agreement or lease contract, the affected party must file a suit within 3 years. Impact of Limitation Act on delayed title clearance. If a bank or lender does not act within the limitation period, they may lose the right to enforce their claim on the property. Challenge delayed title release based on the limitation period and seek legal remedies. Adverse possession laws may apply if a third party continuously occupies the property for over 12 years without opposition. Why do lenders take 13 years to clear property titles? 1. Pending loans and mortgage. Discharge. If a property is mortgaged, banks must ensure full repayment before releasing the title. Sometimes banks delay updating records even after loan closure. 2. Legal disputes and encumbrances. Any pending litigation, third party claims, or unresolved legal disputes can delay title clearance. 3. Government and Revenue Department delays. Mutation, registration, or other formalities at land revenue departments can take years. 4. Fraudulent transactions and title defects.